Working on a multi-page design in Canva? Here's how to save all your images at once. No need to download one by one. This works for slideshows, Instagram carousels, product mockups, or anything with more than one page. Click the Share button in the top right, then select Download. Choose the file type, PNG for quality or JPEG for smaller size. This works for PDFs too, if you're exporting documents. Make sure all pages is selected. You can also pick specific ones if needed, like page 1, 3, and 5 only. Click Download and Canva will save each page as a separate image inside a .zip file. Need to rename or resize the images later? Use free tools like iloveimage.com or bulk rename utility.
If you just want to change a few pages and re-export, you don't need to redo everything. Just edit the pages, hit Download again, and select only the updated ones.
That's how to export multiple images from Canva in seconds. Like and follow for more Canva workflow hacks that save you hours.